Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Shopify product schema for rich snippets, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Shopify admin account. Navigate to the online store section in the left-hand menu. Click on themes to view your installed themes. Locate the theme you are currently using and click on actions. From the drop-down menu, select edit code. In the code, find and click on the product.liquid file within that folder. Scroll to the bottom of the product.liquid file. You will now add the product schema markup in JSON LD format. Copy the following JSON LD code snippet. JSON, at context, https://schema.org, at type, product, name, product.title, image, product. Make sure to replace existing placeholders with code that dynamically pulls product data. Once you have pasted the code, click on Save in the top right corner. Now, you need to test your markup. Open a new tab and go to the Google Rich Results Test tool. Input your product page URL into the tester. Click the Test URL button. Review the results to ensure there are no errors in your schema. If there are errors, return to the product.liquid file and correct them. Once everything is in order, your rich snippets should start appearing in search results. Regularly monitor your SEO performance to ensure the schema is working effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.